today to present my work on accessing early education services for young children experiencing homelessness. We know that young children experiencing homelessness are disproportionately represented in the emergency and transitional housing program, with the majority of children being under the age of 5. We also know that access to early education services presents a number of barriers for these young children and their families. Therefore, NACY, the National Association for the Education of Homeless Children and Youth, as well as Cloudburst Consulting Group, worked together to do 2 companion studies looking at barriers and facilitators to accessing these programs. So we have both quantitative and qualitative data, so this is a mixed method analysis, where we looked at both of the studies separately and then merged the findings to come up with a number of policy recommendations. We found that there's a number of barriers for accessing early childhood services, and some of the themes that emerged was that there's a lack of awareness about programs within the communities from both the provider and parent perspective. And again, related to this, there was lack of support from the housing providers to the families to access these programs. A number of systematic barriers were also present, including transportation issues, financial issues, mobility and communication concerns, as well as competing demands for the families. So there's a number of facilitators that were suggested, and among those being a collaboration between the housing community and the early education providers. Therefore, our policy recommendations suggest that there be a stronger collaboration between these 2 programs, as well as prioritizing the needs of young children experiencing homelessness. Thank you.